Hello, Daz Studio community. This is Not From This World, and I want to welcome you back to my tutorial series. Now, on Tuesdays, I always try and do some kind of Daz challenge, something that has confused me or just baffles me as I work with Daz Studio. Now, this week, I have an issue with the Daz Download Install Manager, and this is just a weird thing that happens to me a lot. When I go to the install manager, it asks me to log in. And so I log in. I would say 80% of the time I get this, where it says that there needs to be an update. Now I know that Daz Install Manager does not need an update every time I open it. So I was just wondering, do you get this issue as well? I have to hit update for it to load. And then once it I guess updates, it loads up just like normal. Now, I don't use Daz Central, and it's just something that I don't really deal with. I haven't played with it. I've used the install manager so much that I just keep using it. But you can see it's actually setting it up and like updating, but it does this all the time. Now, is this just something that Daz is updating constantly, or is there something bizarre going on? So see, now I can log in and I'm into Install Manager. Also, kind of a side note is I keep hearing that there is an update to Daz Studio 4.22. I never get any update, or I haven't got any update recently in the install manager at all. So I'd like to hear about that as well. Is there a new update to 4.22? And if there is, why do I not see it with the install manager? Because I usually get all the updates right here. All right, so Milica and I are just kind of baffled about this. We're just wondering what the heck is going on with the install manager. So if you have any input, please let me know. Shoot me a comment. Let's discuss install manager a little bit this week. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and communicate with me. All right, till next time, take care.